Welcome, peckish friends, to Gina's Sunshine Kitchen. Here's your host, Gina! Howdy, friends! It's an exciting day in the Sunshine Kitchen. Today, our special guest, Sally, has a question for us. Hey, Sally! Good question. Let's find out. Here we have a graham cracker crust, some pastry dough, a mixture of cinnamon and sugar, and some diced apples. We'll take the cinnamon and sugar and mix it in with our diced apples. We'll fill the graham cracker crust with the apple pie filling and cover it with this pastry dough. Let's cover up with foil. Okay, now let's put it in the oven. See what we got.
Ooh!
There. A little bit longer. Oh! Let's see what we got. Wow, look at that. It's a really nice color. Looks good. I'd like to thank our special guest for visiting us today. Join us next time in the Sunshine Kitchen to find out what other small foods we can make in our small oven. See you next time!